Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. We're always listening to your feedback, not only to develop new products, but to improve our existing products as well. So we're excited today to be introducing you to our Mark III LED door sill plates. These things look fantastic on the truck. They're designed to fit all F-150s, Super Duties, Broncos, and Ranger trucks. So some of the upgrades that we've made on this Mark III version is you now have 11 different variants to select from so that you can make sure that this LED plate feels personalized and as customized to your particular truck as possible. Another upgrade we made is we've gone with a flat black finish, which looks very OEM on the truck because it matches the Ford components and design language that's already existing in the truck. And a third upgrade we've made is that we've expanded the RGB lighting coverage. So that gives you just that one extra step of personalization on your truck so you can choose that perfect color. They're easy to install, they look fantastic on the truck. You can check them out today at F150LEDs.com. Thanks guys.